And this is our menu for the day. Ayan. Yung sisig. Yeah. Yes, full of. Kaya sabi nila pala yung extra table, no? Ayan. Okay, hayahay. Akala natin lang din pala. It's well done. Ayan, happy Mother's Day everyone.
Picture ka na nga ni si camera mo.
Hi here. Hi. Ayan. Ito po ang aming celebration for today's. Yes. Okay. Ayan. Attack na. Pray tayo? Pray nyo? Ayan. Happy Mother's Day everyone.